So I'm literally being extra filming this video. I brought all my stuff and going to a forest by my house to film this makeup look. Hopefully there's good lighting in the forest. See, this is the forest. It looks like this. There you go. I should close the gate so no one comes. Kind of creepy. I have all my stuff in here. So there it is. This is gonna be the patio that we're gonna set out all our stuff. Please, please, to God, no spiders. Ooh, lighting is good. This is where we're filming. This is what it looks like. What does it say? Peanut-free table. Okay, no peanuts. I'm gonna set it up right here. Oh my God, please, no spider. There's like a ton of spider web. All right, this seems like really good lighting, so I'm setting up my camera here. I bought this top to wear to Lollapalooza, so I haven't worn it until now, so this video is very special. I'm taking out my stuff. Makeup bag, other makeup bag. Having a makeup picnic. Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm filming a summer makeup look. It will be like an eye art look, orange, yellowy look with a cut crease, and I want to do some like fake freckles on my face. I've never tried this look before, but I've seen a lot of the similar look on Instagram and they look super cute, and I want to try it here for the first time. I have a forest near my house and there's this patio in here, and I always wanted to film a video in this patio. I haven't seen any video of anyone doing a makeup picnic, so I thought this would be a really fun idea, and hopefully my makeup will turn out well. So if you care enough to join me on my makeup picnic episode, then continue watching. Okay, I have a mirror right here, so I'm gonna be looking down a lot. I'm going to put a little bit of this Smashbox eye primer. I barely have anything left. This would give me a good base. I'm so nervous. This is gonna be my first time trying a colorful makeup look, so yeah. Okay, I bought this recently on my LA trip, this Morphe E27 brush. The lady who was working there recommended this like real hair, I don't even know, this hair brush because it blends out really well. So excited to try it. I'm going in with the Huda Beauty Coral Obsession palette. This is my sister's palette. She just got it. Thank you, Ann. I'm borrowing it. I'm going in with the color yellow, and I'm going to put this on the top part of my crease. Like here. Why does this color look like it's not completely yellow? Okay, whatever. I wish this would be like a more true yellow color. I'm gonna pack in a lot. Hopefully you can see it. There you go. More is more. While we're using this color, I'm gonna put some on my under eye. Oh, so powdery. I think we're good. So now I'm gonna go in with a different brush because I want to reuse this same yellow for my left eye. I also brought this new Morphe brush, M433. This one is supposed to be really popular among the influencers. So, oh my God, there's someone that literally just walked by, just working out. I'm so embarrassed. Okay, and now I'm going in with like an orange shade because I want it to look like a sunset eye. I'm gonna go with this orange right here. Put it a little bit lower than the yellow. Looking so far so good. Gonna put some on the bottom, closer to my lash line. I don't know if I should put more. I'm gonna put a little bit more. So does my eye look like a sunset yet? Oh my God, the sun is going down. This is the problem with living in Chicago. You never get any sun, and it's always like a very dark sun, like a very bluish sun, and never that golden vibe, you know? How'd that look? I think we're good to do like a cut crease. I don't know, I'm so nervous. I don't want the color to die and like not show up once I do the cut crease. My crease is so small. I don't even know what I'm talking about, whatever. Time to do the cut crease. For the cut crease, I'm going to use my Tarte Tape Shape concealer and this flat brush, MAC 155, and I'm going to should I go higher? Yeah, I should. People usually go higher than their fold. You see how my fold is right here? I'm supposed to go higher than my fold, I think. Holy shit, this is not looking cute, not working out. This is harder than it looks. Oh my god, there's like squirrel. I think this is fine. I'm going to go in with a darker orange color, maybe this color. Much better. I feel like I need to put some kind of powder on my cut crease. Do people do that? Do they put powder on their cut crease? Or do they leave it? Oh my god, I saw a bee. I'm gonna go in with my Naked 2 palette using the color Foxy and putting it all over my lid. I need to set with a powder so it doesn't crease. The reason I got motivated to do this look is because there was a comment on my Dear makeup look, her name right here, shout out to you. I told her that I would make more makeup look, so here I am. Alright, I think we're good on the eye. It's blended, it looks summery. I'm gonna go in with this NYX Cosmetics felt tip eyeliner, my favorite eyeliner of all time by Michelle Phan, and do my wing liner. And now I want to put on my eyelashes. I will be using the Ardell Wispy lash. Once I put on the eyelashes, it should make my eye pop and look a little bit more dramatic. This is brand new, so I'm peeling off the glue that's still stuck on the lash. I don't know if you guys do that. Can you leave the glue on, or are you supposed to peel them off? I don't know. I peel them off because I don't want to make it look heavy, you know what I mean? I really enjoy filming in this like patio. It's me, nature. I might do more of these kind of videos. Makeup picnic makeup. So when I'm just silent and not talking, it's because there's people walking by. I'm gonna wait for my eyelashes to dry. I only started using eyelashes lately because every time I use eyelashes, my eyes would look really droopy and smaller. I never knew why, but now I know it's because my crease is very small and I always put like a lot of eyeshadow on my crease. It just makes my eye look very small and dramatic. And now I know to cut the crease and give it some more crease room so then your eyes can look better. I want to put a little bit of eyeshadows on my lower lash. And now we're gonna add a little mascara. Since I don't really have that many lashes on the bottom, I'm gonna draw using the brush tip eyeliner from Michelle Phan. Sorry, I can't really talk when I'm doing this. There you go. There's my attempt to do a sunset eye look. I'm gonna do my other eye off the camera just so I don't waste battery and memory space. I just finished this eye off the camera. What do you think? Good try for my first time look or what? Give me a like if you think that I should try to do more of this look. So I also got this Morphe contour brush E48 and I want to give it a try. Contour my face a little bit. A little bit on my nose. Okay, so what I'm trying to do right now is create that like sunburn cheek looking look that you get after you go tanning. I don't have a blush color that looks like that, so I'm just gonna use one of these eyeshadow. I'm gonna swatch some, see what color looks like a sunburn cheek. I think I'm gonna go lightly with this orangey color top left a little and on my cheeks. Hopefully this looks cute. You kind of know what I'm going for. It looks like you went out and got a tan. So you have something on your nose. I think this is a little bit too pink, so I'm gonna go in with a more brownish color. I feel like I need to put some powder on top because I don't like this. With some powder, brush off some of this pink look. Okay, I think this is fine. Looking a little bit sunburned now, and what we're missing is the fake freckles. I'm gonna go in with my Pro palette, this little brush right here, going to dip into the color Sable and start making little freckles. So cute. What do you think? Okay, now for the fun part with this NYX white liquid liner, draw in the white daisy. So excited! Okay, it doesn't look like a daisy, it looks like a star. It's okay, I'm gonna continue adding more daisy on my freckles and it's just gonna work out. So I added the rest of the daisies. They don't really look like daisies, they kind of look like stars or the galaxy. What I'm gonna do is spray this brush with MAC spray and then dip it into the yellow eyeshadow. There you go. It's staying that look. Ah, this is so cute. So I'm gonna add a little bit highlighter on my face using Fenty by Rihanna. I don't know what this is called. I'm using Hoola Baby to put some highlight on my nose. So guys, this is the final look. What do you think? Thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed this look, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye!